Ho ho ho! Welcome aboard, passengers, and welcome everybody to Shay's Christmas/Happy New Year Countdown Day 2025. So we're on day 1, and today I'm at Station 1. Yeah, so Station 1 is the first one to be appearing on train instead. So during the train sim mode update to 3 is train sim mode 3. And now we're going to see some trains operating the stations from the other main lines. Yeah, that's right. So we're going to be serviced by from Grumps to Brummy and cross country, and Earthways as well. Yeah. So let's get started on what turns up. Okay, the next train to be arriving in is the 1534 cross-country service southbound service to Birmingham New Street from Cardiff Central. Here he is. 175-214. Alrighto, the next train to be arriving in is the 1534 Groves to Norwich service to Plymouth from London Paddington in the 10-car set. Here he comes slowly in. And brakes. Run out by now logos a Turbostar service now get ready to depart. The next stop will be Bromsgrove. That's by now logos a Grabbers to Mom service now giving spawn with service to Plymouth. And on the way is 80214. Okay, the next train to turn up is the 1534 Groves to Norwich service from Cardiff Central to Worcester. Here he comes. Okay, the next train to come past by is going to be a double pair of cross-country Voyager service going bound from Edinburgh Waverley to Plymouth. and our final train of the day is the 1534 cross-country service bound for working a service from Nottingham via Leicester to Cardiff Central. Here it comes. There it goes. Yeah, thank you for watching, everybody. It's appreciated. If you do, please subscribe and click the bell for notifications for the next upload. So for now, I will be seeing you on day 2 at Torquay, located on the Riverline Line and the Graveston Main Line. So, I'll see you guys. Cheers, guys. Goodbye. La 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 la. Ho ho ho!